Welcome to Allie's Art for Kids. Today we will be making a gumball machine. You will need the following materials of paper, something to trace with, and something to color with. Yeah. Now let's just get started. So, I'm going to start by going up on a diagonal line, and then over, and then down. Yeah, kind of like I have a hexagon, or kind of like a diamond, or let's say a triangle without a point, right? Yeah, good. Yeah. So then let's draw a big circle on the top, and then, do you see where we have space? Well, it's for something called that penny lots thing, and where the gumball comes out. Yeah. So I'm just going to draw one little gumball there. Then I'm going to color the rest in black, because it's like the little flap. Hi. That has a little hole for the gumball. And inside the gumball machine, it is pitch black. So I'm going to color that into it. There. Now that we're done with that, we can draw the gumballs, right? Yeah, good. So now we'll be drawing more gumballs. I'm going to make a little tiny one there, or kind of big. And then I'm going to make one a little there, and then there, and a tiny one. And then I want to keep making them. And that was a big one. It's hard to make small ones like that, so I'm not going to do them. You can if you really want to, but yeah. I advise you not to. That's my highly tip of the day. Now that we are finished with drawing gumballs, anyway, so now we will start to color. I personally will color that first. You can color any part first, but I advise you to do what I'm doing, because then you can know how to color the gumballs in. So now let's just move that, and now let's start coloring. I'm coloring fast because I like the gum part the best. It's the most fun part because you get to color little balls. Better taste one of these though before I start paying people for it. Okay, anyway, let's just keep coloring. Oops, they broke my crown. Now that we're finished coloring this, let's begin on the gumballs. I never done this before, but let's get started. This is apparently my 4th lesson of Allie's Art for Kids. Yeah. But let's just keep coloring along the color. We are almost done with coloring the outlines of the gumballs. There's more gumballs in outline. I wonder why. Maybe people don't like gumballs, but yeah. Supposed to be no outline, just gumballs. Yeah. But let's get on with our coloring. I'm just picking this crayon since it's a little short. Okay. Now let's get on. Now that we're almost done coloring the gray, I feel like I said that like 5 minutes ago, but yeah, I probably did. Anyway, maybe like 2 minutes. Anyway, something like that. And that's what matters. And P.S. It doesn't matter what speed, just do your best work. Yeah. And remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. And fast forward if I'm going too slow. But now we better get our gumball machine paired for gumball. So we are done with the gray and the tracer. So let's begin. And I'm also going to beat the flame red that I broke into half. I'm going to do this big gumball purple. And then over here, once, then up here. Yeah. Now, you can color anyone, anywhere. But I'm only going to use these colors, not the flame, the tracer, or the gray. You can use any colors, of course. Of course, if you don't have the carrot, the cherry ice cream, or the sugar plum, or the school bus, or the deep blue sea, or the grape juice, you can use others, or the fire flame. Or the castle rock, but other than that, you're pretty good. Hi, let's see. Yeah. Now it happens that we're gonna be D-O-N-E. That's all done with this lesson. Oh, and if you like this video, make sure to watch more as I update. Oh, and remember, it's getting posted on YouTube channel, Allie's Art for Kids. Bye!